Kani gadega Patisi TV, bat pidang pet yaki kubor baman kasni.
Henne kasni ka khat pratarik urisau, sibenta na ka Jingrakhe ya ka National Voluntary Blood Donation Day. Hakani ka nong ba Shillong la pelong ya ka lumpong ya wer pat ba banno senyang ya kasnam. Kat kom ka phang pedang balabo ka boong donate blood, do it feels good. Ya kani ka Jingrakhe la pelong ha Dr. H.G. Robert Hospital Jayau. Bat hasua ban sim snam na kinong song snong ki balawan ban ai subhai ka snam jongki la pelong shua da ka jelang lengkon ha ka ba ki reu shampang ha ka kot ka khia ki penskau halor ka jingdon kam ban no senyang ya ka snam ya kani ka Jingrakhe la pelong da ka Meghalaya State Blood Transfusion Council bat ka Meghalaya AIDS Control Society ringkat ka jingtrelang bat ka All Licensed Blood Bank Meghalaya. Hakani ke jelang ke Director jongka Health Services MCH and FW i Dr. B. Mautho ilalong ke Kongsan kat bau Medical Superintendent ke Dr. H.G. Robert Hospital Dr. R. Nongrom ulalong sembut Kongsan.
This year's Voluntary Blood Donation Day will focus on saving lives by creating awareness about the availability, protection and proper use of blood and blood products. As mentioned earlier by the previous speakers, रक्तदान करके देखो अच्छा लगता है. I don't know whether I pronounce correctly or not. So donate blood, do it feels good. I know that all the voluntary blood donors will feel good and seeing that today's theme, donate blood, do it feels good. I think it will give an immense pleasure to her. Blood collected from voluntary blood donors is considered to be the safest, and an increased voluntary blood donation will result in availability of safe blood across the year. So donating blood without any expectation is a humanitarian act and a vital part in the life-saving process. Do not donate blood only to your relatives or friends, but donate blood to save lives. I hereby declare the official launching of the week-long blood donation drive in colleges and universities having red ribbon colors in East Khasi Hills District, Meghalaya. Thank you.